So today I decided to do a video that is kind of something I don't really talk about all that often, but I get asked a lot about, and there's a lot of speculation about, and it's how I make money. A lot of people are like, what does this girl do for a living? Like, how does she make money? Like, is she in debt? What does she do? And so I thought I would just sit down and kind of make a video kind of summarizing how I make money without going into like details. I don't want to be like gross and like brag and be like, this is how much I make, or this is, which it may not even, actually, you know what, you'd actually be surprised. It's like what I make is not as much as people probably think, and anything I make I put right back into my
Jason Stone here. $200,000 within the last 2 months of promoting the system.
Hey, Ella Klassen here, and my first 30 days with this system, I've earned a little over $10,000, and all that while traveling the world full-time.
My name is Alex Zubrev. I'm coming to you live from beautiful resort in Cancun, Mexico. What's really cool is that I was able to generate $67,000 in the last 30 days alone.
Hey, what's going on? My name is Vincent Ortega Jr. and I'm here with Frazier. What's up, peeps? One of my business partners and one of my best students from back in the days. Back in the day when you were working with me, you got upwards of what, about $20,000?
$20,000 a month, yeah.
$20,000 a month. At how old?
23 years old.
23 years old. All right, now he's 25 years old. Just started doing a new business. And what's your highest month so far?
$33,000, guys.
$33,000. And while I'm out here with him, he's going, oh, there's 2,000 just came in a second ago. Oh, there's 5,000 just came in a second ago. I'm like, Frazier, come on, seriously. And so what he did was he showed me behind the scenes of what his business was. And I have to tell you, I'm blown away, absolutely blown away. For those of you guys who don't know me, I've been in the industry for almost a decade now. And I've been averaging about anywhere from $100,000 to $250,000 every single month in my business. And what I see with what's going on with this guy and seeing his results skyrocket and finally going into the back office and understanding what he's doing, I see why. And the beautiful part about that is you're gonna go inside, you're gonna get some awesome training right out the gate, but you're also gonna get a personal coach to help you every step of the way. And one of the main reasons why Frazier was so successful back in the day when he first started in this industry with me is because I was there with him one-on-one all the time, right? And so it's all about having that coach. It's all about making sure that you can bounce your ideas off of, making sure you're doing the right thing and all that good stuff. So what I love about this business and what I think Frazier's gonna say.
Yeah, I mean, guys, this industry, I mean, it's absolutely unbelievable. Like, when you have the right business, the right system, the right tools in place. I mean, for the last 3 years, I mean, I've constantly been traveling the planet. I mean, I've done 28 countries now. In the last 3 years, I've been able to treat my dad to multiple trips around the world, 6 times to Thailand. I took him on a cruise around Europe, to Brazil, to Paris. Looking at going to the Maldives later on this year. I mean, that's just from like personally working one-on-one with Vincent, and like he was saying with this business that we're doing now. You know, you get your own personal business coach, so it's like having a Vincent Ortega there with you. And if you follow the steps, follow what you're taught, you're going to be living the lifestyle.
Pat Scheffler here in my backyard in San Diego. I just wanted to take a minute to let you know that I've been able to generate 46 sales in a single 24-hour period, and I've been able to generate a sale that pays out over $16,000 using this system.
Paulo Brosu here. With this system, I have managed to earn over $68,000, guys, in a matter of 8 weeks.
In the last 30 days, over $24,800. Okay, that is the best 30 days I've had so far.
You know, at the end of the day, give it a shot, see what you think, and then other than that, you know, we look forward to talking with you guys. Of course, even though there's personal coaches, you know, Frazier and I, we're here for you all the time. You know, you can message us on Facebook, things like that. Of course, if we're playing, we can't get back to you right if we're playing, because we don't expect you to be, you know, that kind of person as well. But at the end of the day, Frazier, I mean, one last thing, I mean, out of all the businesses you've seen, you know, you've worked with my business, things like that, this new business, and the reason why I'm joining it and why I love it, I don't think there's anything more complete. Is that kind of what you feel?
This is kind of what I wish I had when I first started in the online space, guys. I really do. I mean, everything about it is just perfect. It's everything I've ever wanted. So you definitely want to get started with it by clicking the link below.
Exactly, and what I love about it is I don't really have to do much anymore. You know, because at the end of the day, I had to do all the training, the videos, all that kind of stuff, all the lifestyle things. At the end of the day, with this business, it's all set up for us, it's done, and you're ready to rock and roll. So click the link below, guys, and we'll see you there.
My name is Alfredo, and I just want to share with you that I made $26,585 on my first 30 days of using this amazing system.
Hey everyone, Clinton Douglas here, and just a few days after starting with this system, I was able to make over $1,200 in commission after getting started.
Hey guys, this is Aaron. This system is awesome. In the last 30 days, I've generated $30,000. You too can do this.
My name is Vitaly Dubin from Israel, and with the system, I've been able to earn $1,500 in my first week. And after a couple more weeks, I had a day where I generated over $14,250 in just one day.
It's Dave Prosser here. With this system, I was able to generate over $30,000 within the last 10 weeks.
Kevin DeBay here. So far to date, I've generated $6,000 in commissions, even at my first $1,000 day. I've been in the program for about 2 months now. It's a great system. The coaches close all your sales for you.
My name is Paul Della Penna. I've been in for 38 days now, earned over $10,000.
Tatiana here. Hey, with this system, I'm able to earn over $500 per day.
Nicky Anderson here. In my first 2 days of promoting the system, I was able to generate a $500 commission.